What's going on? Nick here. So between the last video and this video, some time has passed. It's been over a year since I recorded that first video. In that time, wife found out she was pregnant with our third child, went through the pregnancy, had the baby. The baby's 3, almost 4 months now. So it has been some time since I filmed that video. And in that time, I have gone over tons and tons and tons of ideas of what to do with this Mustang. I wanted to clean start it. I got into drifting. I posted a video of it earlier this year. I thought about just making this a giant drift missile, and that sounded awesome. And I was so into it, looking into it. Just the time and money's never going to come. I have so many other projects and so many other things going on. I don't know when I'm going to get to this. I camp actively. I don't know if you can see the Cherokee in the background. The Cherokee is the vehicle that I used with the built-in air compressor to put air in this tire in the first video. I do a lot of overlanding camping. I have another channel. It's called MHR Off-Road. So if you want to see camping stuff, that's that video. So unfortunately, I think I've made the decision to sell this a couple months ago, posted it on, dealt with the Facebook Marketplace people. I have one gentleman that is coming today to look at it, test drive it, and potentially buy it. Then my next project will go into the Miata. It's due. It deserves it. It was my first car. Rolled it. Been waiting to build it. And the time, hopefully after I get some time back on my hands, that time has come. So I'm going to detail this, get it vacuumed out, make it look as presentable as I can. Meet the guy, see if he wants it, and then film it, drive off into the sunset. Thanks for watching the first video, and thanks for having so much interest in it to click on to this video to watch what I did with it. So I did nothing. Like I said, all my plans, just time and money's never going to come. Not anytime soon. It's just keep sitting. I got too many vehicles. It's taking up real estate. Unfortunately, it's going to go. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys. Peace. Alrighty, I got it detailed as much as you can clean the inside. It's what I've done. It's not terrible. Like I said, it had really good potential. Just I don't have the time to get to it. We got it all vacuumed out. Got the Amazon seat polished up. Everything's wiped down. Take over the driver's side. Here's the driver's side compared to the last video where it was all dusty and cobwebs. Well, now we just gotta go see if the guy wants to pay for it. So that'll be later tonight, so I'll tune back in when we're on the way there. Alright, here we go. On one of its first and last trips. Here we go. This is where I'll park. Hasta la vista, baby. Bye-bye, Mustang.